Welcome, today we're going to show you how to change servers in Bloodstrike. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your account on the game as see from here, and after that you need to go to the settings on the top right. So you need to click on the gear icon. After that these settings will open. So there's a bunch of settings that you can actually open from here. There's the basic settings where you can change buttons and stuff like that. Also there's the gameplay, sensitivity, graphics, language and account notice as see from here. So what you need to do is to click on the top right on the support icon. It's like a headphone icon, you need to click on it. After that, as see from here, if we ask the support how to change server, they will tell you that when players log in to the game, the servers will be selected automatically. The servers can't be changed in the game manually. So if you are located in a country like USA, you can't actually change your server to a country in Middle East or something like that. So it may actually change in the future, but right now there's no actual way of changing the servers manually. It just changes automatically depending on your country and place that you are logged in. You may actually tweak this by using a VPN or something, but there is no more than that. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.